Hello, Nakamas. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple yet amazing edit of the Straw Hats walking through the Hidden Leaf Village. We'll be doing this on Android using apps like CapCut and PicsArt. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by taking screenshots of all the movements they make. Now let's move to PicsArt. After that, we'll remove the background from each screenshot one by one and adjust everything carefully to ensure it looks smooth and seamless. Once we've removed the backgrounds from all the screenshots, we'll head back to CapCut and import all those screenshots with the backgrounds removed. We can simply adjust the screenshots by hand, but to make it more precise, we'll use basic tools like the scale option. The duration of each screenshot will be set to 0.4 seconds. I'll add keyframes at the beginning and end of each clip. I'll repeat this process for all the screenshots to create a smooth animation. Once that's done, I'll adjust the background video and add keyframes at the beginning and end. I'll move the background in the opposite direction of the screenshots to create a smooth and dynamic effect. While we could remove the background directly in CapCut, it can be frustrating on mobile and is usually better suited for laptops or PCs. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to join my crew by subscribing to the channel and be my Nakama.